Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be explaining a few ways to remove the arrow overlays from desktop shortcut icons in Windows. So in other words, how to remove the arrows from desktop icons. Now there are different ways you can use this, an advanced way and there's a simple way. Now the advanced way is by using the registry editor. So to open the registry editor, you press Windows and arrow. It's advanced, so I have to be extremely careful. Now, once I've opened this, the next thing I'm going to do is type in regedit. That is reg and edit together. And then I press enter. So once you've done that, navigate to the following. Click on yes. And then you have to navigate to H key local machine. That's this one. HK local machine software. So click on it, double click, then click on software, then you look for Microsoft. Double click, as you can see, go to Windows. So scroll down to Windows, then current, look at Windows. Double click on it, then go to current. This is current. Current version. Explorer. So go to Explorer. Double click on it, and then go to shell icons. So this is shell folder, so we're looking for shell icons, shell overlay. This is shell icons, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new string value over here. So okay, right click in the right span, we're right clicking. So next thing we're going to do is select new and then string value. So right click on it, press empty, new, then string value. Now we're going to name this value, let's say 29 or 30, whatever. Then after naming it, don't put quotes. So the next thing I'm going to do is double click the new value and enter what I'm going to enter now. Double click the new value, and then for value data, enter. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Enter the percentage value, then wind, small letter, wind, I arrow, percentage again. Okay, then backward slash system. So system 32 backward slash again shell 32 dot DLL comma minus 50, and then we click OK. Let's see if it's gonna work. So we start a computer for the changes to take effect. So I have to restart my computer, and I can't do that because I'm screen recording right now. So once I restart my computer, these arrows that appear in all the shortcuts here will disappear. Now another way you can do that is by using a third-party tool. You can download WinArrow Tweaker, WINAERO Tweaker, TWEAKER. So this free tool provides a user-friendly interface to customize various Windows settings, including removing shortcut arrows. So you can just download and install it, and then open the tool, navigate to shortcut section, and then select no arrow under the shortcut arrow settings. As simple as that. And now you can use, instead of using the WinArrow Tweaker, you can use shortcut arrow changer. This is a dedicated tool specifically focuses on removing or customizing shortcut arrows. So all you have to do is download and install the shortcut arrow changer, Run the tool and select remove shortcut icon arrows option. That's it. Next one you can use the registrar script. This is very advanced and you should be very cautious when doing this. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to tell you how to do it in case you want to do it. You can create a text file and paste the code into it. So if you want to know how to use the registrar script, just go online and find that out. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you because it's too risky. You have to be very cautious because when you modify the register, it can have unintended consequences if not done correctly. It's recommended to back up the register before making any changes. So that's why I'm not going to recommend or even talk about it anymore. So by using all these methods, you can effectively remove the arrow overlays from your desktop shortcut icons in Windows. Hope you found it video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.